Erin Phelan, a fitness trainer and writer with Best Health. I'm here to talk you through and motivate you with 10-minute tune-ups, cardio style. The focus of this workout is power, but don't worry if you're just starting out because we've got lower options as well. Think of a speed skater, and the further you jump, the more calories you burn. Squat kick. You're delivering a lot of power, so get low in the squat and kick high. Plyometrics involve power and explosion, so think again light on your feet and get some air between your legs. For squat thrust, keep your core intact, get nice and low, and jump those feet out. If you need a lower option, step one leg out at a time.